Nerve damage can feel like a never-ending battle: pain, tingling, numbness, and even muscle weakness. But did you know that certain vitamins can actually help repair and restore your nerves? In today's video, we're breaking down the top 7 vitamins that can speed up nerve healing, reduce pain, and even prevent further damage. Stick around because you don't want to miss the most powerful nerve-repairing vitamin at the end. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the top nerve-repairing vitamins, let's quickly talk about nerve damage. Whether it's from diabetes, injuries, autoimmune diseases, or even nutritional deficiencies, your nerves can suffer. When they do, symptoms like burning pain, numbness, muscle weakness, and coordination problems start to show up. The good news? The right vitamins can help. Number 7, vitamin E. Starting our list is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. This vitamin plays a major role in preventing further deterioration of nerve cells and promoting healthy nerve function. Studies suggest that vitamin E deficiency can lead to neuropathy, making supplementation crucial if you're lacking it. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and spinach. Beyond protection, vitamin E helps improve circulation, which is key for nerve repair. Poor blood flow can starve nerves of oxygen and nutrients, worsening damage. Ensuring you get enough vitamin E can keep your nerves thriving and resilient against potential harm. Number 6, vitamin B2. Next up, we have vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. Your nerves require energy to function properly, and riboflavin helps support mitochondrial health, ensuring your nerve cells have the fuel they need to heal and regenerate. A lack of vitamin B2 can lead to nerve inflammation and increased oxidative damage. You can get this nerve-repairing vitamin from eggs, dairy, lean meats, and leafy greens. But riboflavin does more than just support nerve energy. It plays a critical role in converting B6 into its active form, which is essential for neurotransmitter production. This means that without enough B2, your nerve signaling can suffer, leading to cognitive impairment and nerve pain. Number 5, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is a game-changer when it comes to nerve health. This vitamin helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals that send signals between nerves. Without enough B6, you might experience numbness, tingling, and even nerve pain, but be careful. Too much B6 can cause nerve problems, so aim for a balanced intake from foods like chicken, bananas, potatoes, and fortified cereals. B6 is also crucial for reducing homocysteine levels. High homocysteine can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of neuropathy. By keeping homocysteine in check, vitamin B6 protects nerves from inflammation and dysfunction. Number 4, vitamin D. Moving on, we have vitamin D, one of the most underrated vitamins for nerve repair. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to increased nerve pain, weakness, and even autoimmune-related nerve disorders. This vitamin helps reduce inflammation, support nerve regeneration, and even protect against neurodegenerative diseases. The best way to get vitamin D? Sunlight. But if you're not getting enough, consider adding fatty fish, eggs, and supplements to your routine. A deficiency in vitamin D can also weaken bones and muscles, which indirectly affects nerve health by causing postural issues and chronic pain. If you suffer from nerve pain, maintaining optimal vitamin D levels is non-negotiable. Number 3, vitamin B1. Now we're getting to the heavy hitters. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is absolutely crucial for nerve function. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy for your nerves while also protecting against nerve inflammation and degeneration. A deficiency in B1 is common in diabetics and alcoholics, leading to painful neuropathy. To load up on thiamine, eat whole grains, pork, nuts, and legumes. One of the most effective forms of B1 for nerve health is benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form that is more easily absorbed and can significantly reduce symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. Number 2, vitamin B12. Coming in at number 2 is vitamin B12, probably the most well-known vitamin for nerve repair. This vitamin is essential for producing myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Without enough B12, your nerves start to break down, leading to severe numbness, tingling, weakness, and even memory problems. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you're at higher risk of B12 deficiency, so make sure to get enough from meat, fish, dairy, eggs, or supplements. B12 also plays a role in red blood cell production, ensuring that oxygen-rich blood reaches nerve cells efficiently. This speeds up nerve healing and enhances overall nerve function. Number 1. Alpha Lipoic Acid. And finally, the number one nutrient for nerve repair isn't actually a vitamin, but it's just as powerful. Alpha Lipoic Acid, or ALA, is a potent antioxidant that has been proven to reduce nerve pain, regenerate nerve cells, and improve overall nerve function. It works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, while also helping nerves use glucose more efficiently, a game changer for people with diabetic neuropathy. You can find ALA in spinach, broccoli, organ meats, and supplements. ALA is unique because it's both water and fat soluble, meaning it can work in all areas of the body, including deep nerve tissues where other antioxidants struggle to reach. It also helps recycle other antioxidants like vitamin C and E, enhancing their effectiveness in nerve repair. Now that you know the top 7 vitamins for repairing nerve damage, let's talk about how to maximize your recovery. Here are a few extra tips. Eat a nutrient-dense diet. Focus on whole foods and avoid inflammatory processed foods. Stay active. Gentle exercise promotes blood flow to damaged nerves. Manage blood sugar levels, especially important for those with diabetic neuropathy. Reduce stress. Chronic stress worsens nerve damage and slows healing. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key for nerve signal transmission. Consider supplements. If you have a deficiency, supplements can speed up recovery. Try acupuncture. Studies suggest it may stimulate nerve regeneration. Get quality sleep. Sleep is when nerve repair occurs most efficiently. Avoid toxins. Reduce alcohol and avoid exposure to heavy metals that harm nerves. So there you have it, the top 7 vitamins to repair nerve damage. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more health-boosting content. And let me know in the comments, which of these vitamins do you already take? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.